आएगा, तू पिएगा तो चल
And I'm drowning till I'm out, and sometimes you prove it.
Hey my lovelies, as you all can see, this is a tattoo video. It's not any tutorial video or nothing where I'm teaching you or telling you something. I just wanted to show you how I'm getting my tattoo done. So as I told you all, this is my 8th tattoo, and this is how he prepared. As like he took my makeup organizer as a table and he just arranged everything, and then he just made me stand on a place to just do the tracing thing, and that's it. Like, you know, this is not any tutorial. He's my friend and we all just thought of chilling at my place. So I said, oh, let's just do the tattoo thing tonight itself. It was like 11:30 p.m. and we just thought that let's just do it. And this is kind of a surprise and surprise tattoo for my friend. I just felt like, you know, gifting her this tattoo because she's a very special person to me in my life. And this is like, if you see it straight, it will be Chand. Her name is Chandni, so it will be Chand. And if you flip the hand, it will be Anna. So that's it about this tattoo. As in, there is nothing interesting or something, but this is a very, very, very special thing for me. So I just felt like, you know, this is my 8th tattoo and a special surprise gift and a special thing for me. So why not? Let's just show you all like, you know, how I get this done. So that's it. Nothing fancy, nothing more interesting. Just felt like, you know, to show you all how I get this thing done. And that's it. If you, yeah, he's a very, very, very good tattoo artist. I have left his details on the screen, and I'm gonna leave in the description box as well his contact details and his email ID and his Insta ID. So if you all like this tattoo or his creation and his work, you can go through his profile and see it. If you like it, then you can get a tattoo done from him, and you guys can get discounts as well if you mention my name to him. That's it. So you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you next time in my next video, and make sure you please like this video if you like it, and do subscribe my channel if you haven't done it already, and let me know in the comment box what do you feel about this tattoo, and did you like it or you didn't like it, whatever it is, like, dislike, whatever, just let me know in the comment box. And let me know about this thought as well. Like, I did this Ambigram tattoo for the first time. This is my first Ambigram tattoo on my body. So I hope you have liked it. So you guys enjoyed the tattoo. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.